There's actually a huge thing in the Jordan fact file about genetically engineered pets, specifically purse pets.
Backflipping penguins?
Backflipping penguins, yeah. So let's take a look at some of the animals here.
So this is a vet hospital?
What do you want to look at? It looks like it. It looks like a veterinary hospital. What do you want to look at? It looks like it. It looks like a veterinary hospital.
Have you ever seen a waiting room that was so blue in your life?
It's the future. Hence these all the weird hats and shit.
And the small bathtub in the middle of the room?
I don't know what that's supposed to be. Magellanic.
Looks like a mouth kind of stretched out and just going, "Ah!"
You know, of all the things they have in the future here, the penguin as the pet is really the most awesome things.
That is pretty badass. I would want to own that penguin.
And look at that. They have genetically modified dogs so they can't bark. That's kind of horrible.
Why?
Look at how disgusting this is.
That's like deaf culture.
Women as combination pet and handbag.
What?
That's ridiculous.
Boy, how about the future, huh?
Oh, these fucking parrots. These fucking parrots.
Well, I guess they haven't genetically modified parrots yet. If they can genetically modify dogs to not bark.
I'm sorry, what were you saying? I missed the penguin sound? Is that what that was?
Whatever point I was trying to say is completely lost by that badass penguin.
Aw.
At what point in the future will robots given emotions?
Apparently they can eat pizza, too.